Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I want to show you how you can change the font size, the font color and the background color of this table. That way you can customize it as much as you want based on your formatting needs. So make sure your Power BI visual table visual is selected and you are in the format visual, and you need to come over here in the values section. In this value section you have the option of changing the font. Let's say I want to change it to Sigoi, and this is how the font will going to look like, or let's say symbol, and this is how the font will look like, which is definitely not something you want, but Nauma is, I think, good stuff, a good one. So this is that. Then you have the font size, which is quite straightforward. You can get something like this. And then you have the option of text color, which is basically you can change the text color, and then you need to change the alternate text color also, so that it matches your requirement. Also you have the option of changing the background color, which is white for odd rows, and for even rows like the second one it is alternate background color, which you can change it as per your need, as you need it, right? So I hope you got the idea as to what I am doing and how you can do it for your own benefit of formatting the visual. In case you want to do anything related to font and the background and the font, the color of the visual, the font color of the visual, you can very easily change it. Once you are done with that, you may want to know that I keep all of my videos in the Power BI video tutorial sheet. The link for this is in the description, where you can come. You can search any of my video related to DAX or visual or project, and the link is present in the column B. That way you can simply get it or jump to that video without much of a hassle, because I have 300 plus videos. It's a bit difficult to search each one. And then if you are beginner and following it along with me, you may need the dataset sheet. So I have given the dataset sheet link in the folder, but what it does is it first takes you to the Google group, where you need to join the Google group. Once you join it, it will give you the link of this folder, which will take you over here on this dataset sheet. In this dataset sheet, over here you will see that sample superstore dataset is something what you need to know, and I am using the orders sheet from this sample superstore, and I'm using a simple table visual like this. So with that, you can very easily recreate the visual and follow it along with me as part of practicing your Power BI visual. With that, thank you so much. I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.